study table and arrange your books before your class could start.
Mom, I'm remarkably busy. I cannot do anything now. Please don't ask me to do these things now.
Understand the situation and behave like a grown-up girl. They have preponed the office meeting. It starts by 9 a.m. Already I am running short of time. I want you to help me. I must make the breakfast and the lunch. Please sweep the living room, dear.
I cannot do it now, Mom. I will do only after all my classes.
You're becoming rude day by day.
Doing household chores is a boring job. Why should I do it?
What again? All the time. It's again you of the young caretakers like you. I trust my entire household.
It's pleasure to work here under you, ma'am. You look me as your family. And today, I have brought my son, Lorenzo, as he was alone at home. I hope it's okay for you.
No problem at all. Others, come here. See your playmate. Both of you can play together today.
Who's this boy?
He's Lorenzo, our caretaker's son. Lorenzo, this is Adarsh.
Caretaker's son? Mom, I don't want to be in Santo's caretaker's son. Please leave me alone.
Adarsh, you should not talk like this. It's bad. Remember the latest status that you asked me to order online? If you really want it, then better behave well. I'm leaving now. I will only return by evening. Be kind to Lorenzo.
Whatever.
Little Master Adarsh, I will make aloo roti and French fries for lunch. Lorenzo, be a good boy.
Hi.
What? Go sit there. Please don't talk to me. I don't like to talk with boys like that.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Nothing. I said nothing.
Wow. What's that? It's wonderful. Can I touch it?
No! Don't touch it. You don't even dare to see it.
Okay. You know, you have a nice collection of books. I love to read books.
Look here. Who speaks about book? Don't touch it. These are mine. My parents bought it all for me.
Okay.
So, friend, that is the end of the story. It is always good to read Christmas stories on this Christmas season. I hope you all have learnt a moral from the Christmas story.
The story was very nice, ma'am, especially the Christmas celebration. I love the Christmas celebration which happen in our school every year.
I love to see Santa giving us sweets and wishing us. I like the Christmas decorations and the Christmas tree, man. Christmas crib in our school. Every day we used to visit the baby Jesus kept in our school Christmas crib.
Ma'am, this time I'm going to keep a Christmas crib in my home. I want baby Jesus to be born in my home this year in my handmade Christmas crib.
Thought Divya, children, those are lovely memories. Lovely children, you know, we can heart, little hearts.
Christmas crib? Lahar? It can be done, ma'am.
Children, we can build a Christmas crib in our hearts for Jesus with our good deeds. Whenever you do a good deed, whenever you share your belongings with others, whenever you help others, whenever you sacrifice your own wish for others, And whenever you obey your parents, remember you keep a small bamboo, one on top of other, tying it together, and finally your little crib by you is built with your good deeds. And remember, on the Christmas day, when the whole entire world wait for the birth of Jesus in their churches and in their handmade cribs, baby Jesus will be born in their little hearts, and they will remain the light of the world forever and ever.
Want this to happen?
I want Jesus to be born in my heart.
I want to build a crib for Jesus in my heart.
Even I want.
Even I.
I want Jesus to be born in my heart. Let me start with this little good deed. I will arrange my books, clean my desk, sweep the rooms, and I will also wash the vessels and make my mommy happy. The house is so clean today.
Did Granny come home? Divya! Where is Granny? Is she sleeping?
No, Ma, Granny is not here. It was I who did it all. I'm building a little crib in my heart for baby Jesus with all my good deeds. I'm sorry for being rude. I will listen to you and Dad and obey.
Thank you, darling, for being so sweet and kind. I love you, dear. I see a great transformation in you.
Who is that? The door is open. Just push it. Welcome, Auntie. Please come in, Adarsh. Mom has gone out. I shall tell her when she comes back. What can I do for you, Auntie?
Lorenzo, just relax. Arthur wanted to see you, so I brought them here.
Yes, Lonzo. Lonzo, I'm really sorry for all my rude and unkind behavior. Please forgive me. I bought these toys and your favorite storybook as Christmas gift. Please accept this. Come home. We'll be good friends hereafter.
Please don't ask sorry, Adarsh. It's a big word. You are already my friend, Adarsh. Thank you for showering your love and kindness towards me. I can see a great transformation in you, Adarsh.
Yes, Lonzo. I'm building a small crib for Jesus in my heart with good deeds. I'm trying to change myself before Christmas so that my Christmas crib is ready for baby Jesus' birth.
If this entire world welcomes Jesus like you in their hearts, this world would be a beautiful place filled with joy, brotherhood, peace, love and kindness. I am happy to have you as my friend, Adarsh.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to all.